A poison gas attack on a Syrian village on April 11th. Infants gasp for breath behind oxygen masks at this makeshift hospital. Other men suffocating and foaming at the mouth, appearing to have ingested a toxic chemical. At least 2 killed, dozens more wounded. The symbol for chlorine painted on the barrel bomb used in the air attack in this opposition video. The video could not be verified by CNN, but the U.S. says it's suspicious.
We have indications of the use of a toxic industrial chemical, probably chlorine, in Syria this month in the opposition-dominated village of Kafir Zeta. We're examining allegations that the government was responsible.
U.S. officials and Western diplomats tell CNN they have indications Assad's forces launched the strikes and several others in the past several months. The regime, they say, has both the chemicals and the means to deliver them by air, while the opposition does not. The regime said the gas was used, but blamed the attack on the rebel group al-Nusra, which has links to al-Qaeda. These pictures of the aftermath of a chemical weapons attack at the hands of the regime shocked the world and saw the U.S. threaten military action.
What message will we send if a dictator can gas hundreds of children to death in plain sight and pay no price?
President Obama backpedaled in favor of an agreement to eliminate Syria's chemical weapons stockpile. While chlorine isn't as deadly as the sarin gas used last year, its use as a weapon of war is against international law, and it poses a dilemma for the U.S. as it struggles to rid Syria of its chemical weapons and deal with a war in which it has lost control. The Obama administration said it needs definitive proof before deciding how to respond.
We take all allegations of the use of chemicals in combat use very seriously. We're working to determine what has happened.
Now, chlorine technically isn't one of the chemicals Syria is required to give up under UN Security Council resolutions, but using it on the battlefield is against the Chemical Weapons Convention, which Syria is a party to.